Good day, it's Miles Revolution here. Got another home project to do. Today we are going to switch out a three-way switch which has a dimmer on it, and it's been kind of temperamental to where our lights are kind of flickering, and that just means that the dimmer portion of the switch has gone out. So I'm going to actually swap it out and just put a regular three-way switch in it. Got a light here to help us out. So it's got this dimmer on it, and that's the thing that I think is causing the problem. So we're just going to remove it. First thing you want to do is you can see that the light is on over there. So we're going to turn the breaker off just for safety's sake, and before we take it apart here. The items that you'll need for this job is a slotted screwdriver to take the cover off, and a Phillips screwdriver to take the wiring apart, and of course a new three-way switch. With these dimmers, there's one thing that I really dislike about them. They don't have the terminals marked as to what is what on these dimmers. I don't know why. I mean, they have all the other little tiny writing that's on here, but they don't have anything else. These plain ones that don't come in a box, they have them marked, whereas the top here says common. So that's the wire would go to the light fixture or come from the power. And then the other two are the wires that actually go directly to the other switch on the same two terminals. So if you hook it up wrong, then you just have to take it apart and rewire it. It just means that your switch won't work like it's supposed to. So we're going to hope that we get these hooked up right. Since that wasn't marked and I took the wires off, it might be a trial and error thing putting them back together. So I'm going to assume that the top wire was the common one. And then the other two wires are the ones that go to the, well actually, they're kind of mixed up. So let's kind of go back here. So we have this wire, these two wires that come out of this particular piece of Romex. And then we have this one that's separate. So this one's got to be the one that's the power or the common or whatever. So we're going to switch that and put that down here. Once again, the common is the one that either goes to the fixture or the one that comes from the power. And the other two, it doesn't matter which side they go on, as they go on. Before I put it back in the box, let's go ahead and try it out to see if it's wired correctly here. So we'll flip the breaker back on and flip the switch. The light comes on, goes off. So let's go to one of the other options here to turn the thing off and on. Which one is it here? They went off. Let's see if we can turn it back on by this other switch. And then we know that we wired it correctly. And it came off. All right, so once again, it's really not difficult to do a three-way switch as long as you remember which wire is the common and which one are the other two wires that go to the other switch. So one of the clues, once again, in this particular box is we have this black wire here and this white wire are both in the same piece of Romex back there. And so this is most obviously the, well, I say it's most obvious, but if somebody wired something screwy, then it may not be obvious. This is the best assumption to make, that this wire here is power and this is the common that goes back to the light fixture, so these two. And then the other two wires are the ones that go to the other switches. Let's go ahead and put this back in the box here. This box, as you can see, is a double box. And so there's a blank space here. And theoretically, when you put the proper plate on, one of these should be a blank. I don't have the blank, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on there for now. All right, that's back together, and we are done for the day. So even you can wire a three-way switch. Thanks for watching the Miles Revolution.